It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition for Friday, the 19th of August. I'm James Spann. A number of showers and storms in progress this afternoon is expected. Weather stays a little unsettled for the weekend, but a pretty good chance we see a temporary shot of drier continental air by Monday of next week. Here we go. Water vapor satellite view. A weaker ridge across the deep south. The strong trough coming down across the northern plains. That feature is the one that will help to pull down the dry air early next week. That was the radar at 2:43. A number of showers and storms in progress. Some spots getting very heavy amounts of rain, thunder, lightning. In fact, we see a flash flood warning for parts of DeKalb County, including Fort Payne. And obviously, heat is not a real problem today. Look at Fort Payne. They've got 70. How about that for an August afternoon? Birmingham, 75. Low to mid-80s for Tuscaloosa, Anniston, and Gadsden. Around the nation, we note a severe thunderstorm watch for parts of Kansas and Nebraska in advance of that surface boundary there. Got a standard slight risk of severe weather for that zone right in the nation's heartland for the rest of today and tonight. Tomorrow, risk of severe storms north of the state with the front, and on day 3, Sunday, no organized severe weather expected. And look at the dry air nosing into extreme North Alabama. Could very well be that showers start to thin out up in the Tennessee Valley. And we should feel that drier air by Monday. Rain for the next 5 days, 1 to 2 inches, I'd say, for most spots. This valid through Wednesday morning of next week. Tropical weather getting active. Tropical storm Fiona, you see it's fighting dry air, very dry air in the surrounding environment. Invest 99 is back to the southeast of that location. And so far looking unimpressive, and a new wave about to come off the coast of Africa. In terms of Fiona, this is expected to weaken over the weekend back to a tropical depression. If it survives, it will be turning northward around 60 west. No threat to land. 99 is more interesting if it can survive. Tropical models, you can see they want to take it up toward the Leeward Islands and then on a track maybe a little north of Hispaniola in 5 days. We'll check the GEFS ensemble, and the mean of the members is up toward Miami in the Bahamas. So obviously interests in Florida will need to kind of keep an eye on this thing. And this is a big if. Understand, we're days out from this. We don't know if it survives. We don't know if this is the track, but it's just an idea that's on the board. And because it is a lower latitude system, the intensity guidance schemes are typically ramping this up to a hurricane in 5 days. And in just a little bit here, I'll show you the maps for the GFS and the European for the 12Z runs. But let's dive right in. This is the GFS 12Z run, valid tomorrow at 1 o'clock local time. And good to see those nice shades of blue in August. Strong trough digging down through the northern plains. Down below that, a deep surface low near Milwaukee. Trailing cold front down to Tulsa. And for us, we stay in very soupy air. It will be much like today. Occasionally cloudy with scattered to numerous showers and storms. Highs mid to upper 80s. Sunday, pretty much the same thing. Highs, I'd say 84 to 87. More clouds than sun. A few passing showers and storms are likely. The front nearing the northwestern tip of the state. And yep, Monday we get into drier air for North Alabama. If this is right, the day will be dry. The humidity values come down. High will be probably upper 80s. And Tuesday looks nice. Tuesday morning will be well down in the 60s. Some of the cooler pockets could see upper 50s early Tuesday morning. And then Wednesday, moisture comes back. Any dry air shot in August doesn't last long. Bring back the chance of scattered showers and storms. That's Thursday. And a week from today, this is Friday the 26th. Troughing well to the north, the ridge trying to rebuild. Another surface boundary north of us. And yeah, check it out. That's the Invest 99 that's coming into Hispaniola there. It should be at that point Gaston. It's got the G name if it makes it and develops. And, we'll see. Understand, that's a week out. This will change. That's the one thing we can promise you. We don't know for sure it's going to be a recurver. We don't know if it's going to affect Florida or maybe try and get up in the Gulf. Let's go ahead and check the end of the forecast period. This is Monday the 29th. Pretty good looking little upper low across the heartland. Down below that, You can see what could be Gaston on the north coast of Cuba. Again, this is Monday the 29th. And understand, this is going to change. In fact, I'll show you how quickly it could change. Let's look at another model. Here's the European. Instead of having it on the north coast of Cuba, it's basically got it recurving out in the middle of the Atlantic. So, and assuming that's Gaston, that might be Fiona, but you can see that there's very little consistency out here, and we just don't know at this point. Just something to watch. Numbers. Highs in the 80s through Monday. I don't know why it ramps us back up to 93 on Tuesday. Could be because of the dry air. Dry air tends to heat more effectively, but Tuesday morning it's got 66. In fact, 66 Monday morning, but some of the cooler pockets go well below that. And after that, upper 80s. Low 90s. Heat level just not that bad. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes in the blog. My next video will be Monday morning at 7 o'clock. Brian Peters, the man that looks like Colonel Sanders, will have the video updates tomorrow and Sunday. If you can't catch us this evening on the live stream or the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend, and God bless.